9/11, 20 years ago. We will not forget. That was so crazy, y'all. And from the two towers to the Pentagon to the Pennsylvania. I'm going to leave some information down. Just click on the description, open it up, and look. And I'm going to leave you a couple information down there to read. Because I just spent the last 2 hours just rewatching it. I do that every 9/11. I do that. And it reminds me of everything. I'm not sure, as you're reading all that down below, I'm not sure what all is going to happen from here forward due to our current administration, the things they're doing. I don't feel comfortable because it makes others stronger. And you know what? We just got to pray for us. What do you do? But that time period, I remember where I was at when the first tower hit, or when the first plane hit the tower, and the second one, and the Pentagon in Pennsylvania, and it's just unreal, isn't it? Just unreal. Put your flag out tomorrow. You know what? Be America strong. Be America strong. God bless America. God bless the world. God bless our administration. And I can't go there. You know where I would go. 9/11. Watch a couple videos about it. Bring it back to you. Because it was real, y'all. We had some pieces. I've been around some of the fire trucks and pieces from the towers. And it's just like, there's a feeling that is unreal when you're touching it. I don't know if I ever go to New York, but if I did, that's the grounds I would go to. Don't know. Anyway, y'all have a blessed rest of the weekend. 9/11. It's tomorrow. I don't know when I'm putting this video out, but 9/11 Saturday 2021 is tomorrow. Think about it. Keep it in your head. That's a day to remember what happened 20 years ago to the U.S. We don't want this to happen ever again. But we need a strong government to help make that happen. It's Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen on Sundays. See ya.